True or false, Microsoft Excel gives you a headache, but you need to use it for work. Most people say true. Spreadsheets can be frustrating, confusing, and way more time-consuming than they should be. But here's the thing. Excel isn't the problem. The problem is, no one ever taught you how to use it properly. With just a little training, you can go from dreading Excel to mastering it. That's why we created the Microsoft Excel Bootcamp, a beginner-friendly course designed to help business professionals take control of Excel. No fluff, no confusing tech speak, just practical skills that make your work faster and easier. Click the link below to get started. In just a few hours, Excel will become one of your biggest career assets. Imagine no more struggling to format reports, no more wasted hours on repetitive tasks, no more stress when your boss asks for an Excel file. Instead, you'll know exactly what to do, working faster, smarter, and with confidence. There's no time like the present to make your move. Click the link below and start mastering Excel today.